Hi, my name is Ezekiel Kelly, and I'm the VP of Engagement and Growth here at FITCI, Frederick's Innovative and Technology Center. Over the last 20 years, FITCI has been focused on one mission, helping entrepreneurs realize their ideas and make a positive impact locally and globally. For the last decade, that mission has been strengthened under the leadership of our CEO, Kathy Callahan Brady, who has been deeply committed to supporting Maryland founders within the life sciences and tech industries. We've learned what works and what doesn't, and what critical pillars are needed for our founders to succeed. That's exactly why we launched the Clinical Bridge. The Clinical Bridge is a resource built to help founders avoid costly mistakes earlier in their journey. By leveraging the collective experience and insights of trusted collaborators, the Clinical Bridge helps de risk each stage of the journey, accelerate time to trial, and ultimately move companies faster toward the global market. And this is only possible in collaboration with partners like Pronav, Sinatra, InfoPathways, Court Squared, and many others, each bringing deep expertise across clinical trial operations, regulatory readiness, infrastructure, and technology. Pronav, who joined us through Maryland's Gateway program, has been an early supporter and partner. At its core, the clinical bridge was designed to solve a critical problem. Over 90% of drug candidates never make it to market. And often it's not because of the science, it's because of missteps, underdeveloped infrastructure, and the lack of the right partners at the right time. Our goal at FITCI is to change that, not just here in Frederick, Maryland, but for the entire DMV region. This is about FITCI being a regional solution, a place where early stage biotech and biopharma innovators across Maryland, DC, and Virginia can find a trusted ecosystem that walks with them every step of the way. The DMV is full of talent, from the NIH to the FDA to world-class universities and private innovators. The ideas are right here. But without coordinated support and a clear path forward, many of these ideas stall before they ever reach patients. And this is why the Clinical Bridge exists, to guide companies onto the path to clinical trials and ultimately toward their true goal, commercialization that serves patients on a global scale. Whether it's through AI-supported clinical operations, secure IT systems, or expert design of early phase trials, the Clinical Bridge offers real, actionable support, not just theory. And because we've all seen the heartbreak of promising science that never makes it to the finishing line, we believe founders deserve more than just access to space or mentorship. They deserve a team. And this initiative reflects what FITCI has always stood for, helping entrepreneurs thrive with the right people, the right guidance, and the right environment to grow. We are building this bridge together, not just to clinical trials, but to a future where innovation meets execution and ultimately meets the needs of patients around the world. And this is what the Clinical Bridge is all about.